Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create the pop-out photo. So it seems like the aeroplane is pop out from the photo. So how to do that? Let's begin. Go to Insert, Online Picture, select a suitable photo. So you can make sure you check on this Creative Commons. And then we're going to remove this item. Make it size smaller, right? Hold down the Control key, hold down Control key and drag the photo again, right? So to duplicate or copy. Okay. So now I use a line to decide where I want it to show as pop out. So maybe somewhere here will be just nice, right? So I hold down Shift key to make it vertical, right? So next I'm going to do a cropping. So I'm selecting the photos, right? Crop it. So it's a snap on that line itself. Same goes to this. Select the bottom photo, crop it, drag it. Okay, snap to the line. And now I'm use the new feature of remove background, right? So I select the first one, remove the background. Okay, and I want to keep some of the place there here, right? So I think there's still some I need to keep. Alright, so I have a few here and also here as well, right? I'm gonna drag a few more. Alright, so kind of too much, so I can just use the move area to remove. So I drag this. Okay, so okay, that's about it. So now then we move on to this, move this up, right? Hold a shift key and move it up. Let's just take a look at here, right? So right now this is very similar, right? So now I'm just make this into a photo shape. Go to picture format, select this simple frame. Okay, I can adjust the frame size, right? So maybe that's okay. um, okay, but you see there's a drop, there's a space, white space here, which is the white frame here. So what we can do is that we select this picture, go to picture format, choose crop. Now hold this just to move it just a little bit more here. Okay, and click outside. Okay, and this one right click, bring it to front. Alright, almost there, right? So then I delete this line. Okay, so as if the airplane is fly out of it. And thanks for watching.